I have an old freshwater tank that I got when I bought my other windows. The guy had it when he was scrapping that RV, where I got all these windows from. And yeah, I'm going to make it fit under the bench seat. I do need to make them wider, so I'm going to take and pull the bench seat floor mounts apart and then lengthen them to where it's a little bit wider so the Polaris Ace will fit in between. I got the new floor mounts set up and rebuilt all of it using the existing wood, which was nice. And it came out really cool. The seats are like 14 inches wide, where they were like, I think 20 some odd inches wide before. So I'll have to keep that in mind when I go to, put seats on there. The cushions are not going to fit anymore. Gojo. Oh my God, these Gojo wipes get the floor, the linoleum floor, spotless. Like rust stains, grease stains, dirt, you name it, water stains, all kinds of gross stains. Got it. They came in perfect, sparkling white. I cannot recommend these enough. I've used other, wipes before, and I love these Gojo wipes. So if you're looking for something, I'll put the link in the description if you're looking to buy some. They're awesome. Got the water tank all nice and mounted. All I'm using is just a couple right angle brackets. And no, I'm not screwing into the water container. Oh, that'd be stupid. It's just going to sit in there kind of loose, but it's snug, so it's not going anywhere. I cut all new bench seat tops that fit right in to the spot, so it's nice and flush when they sit down in, so they don't slide out or anywhere. And it came out really nice. The seat cushions obviously aren't going to fit because they're only 14 inches wide now instead of like 20 odd some inches. Well, from another project, I have old bus seats. These are the bottoms to the bus seats, and I was going to use them in my other camper, but they didn't fit, but they fit in this one. So I'm going to use these awesome bus seats. So I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but I'm going to have a Murphy bed that comes down over this bench seat. So that's one of the reasons why I just going to leave the center one just kind of uncovered. I'll paint it, probably make it look nice, but it'll probably be storage for like pillows or something, I'm thinking. And not to forget, I started sealing the bottom seal on between the wood and the camper, so it doesn't rot or anything. I'm prepping it for paint. It's a good idea too to make sure, because I made this mistake last time, to get paintable, waterproof caulk. Last one I used was non-paintable, and paint would not stick to it. And believe me, when I say paint will not stick to it, I don't care what you use, nothing sticks to it. Anyways, stay tuned for another episode of Jeep Creep, and we'll continue working on this awesome camper build.